National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, western DuPage County in northeast Illinois, Grenville County in northeast Illinois, Kane County in northeast Illinois, Kindle County in northeast Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, east central Lee County in north central Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeast Illinois until 8:30 p.m. At 7:30 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing destructive hurricane force winds in excess of 80 miles.
Come on.
Miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Potawatomi to Serena to 6 miles east of Streator and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Somonauk and Seneca around 7:40 p.m. Shabanock, Sandwich, and Newark around 7:45 p.m. Little Rock, Waterman, and Hinckley around 7:50 p.m. Plano around 7:55 p.m. DeKalb, Yorkville, Morris, and Muzzin around 8 o'clock p.m. Cortland and Sugar Grove around 8:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Lee, Millington, Kinsmon, Verona, Lisbon, Carbon Hill, Boulder Hill, Crystal Lawns, South Elgin, and Crest Hill. These storms have a history of producing widespread wind damage. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Intense squall lines can occasionally produce brief tornadoes in addition to the widespread significant wind damage. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant damage to property.